Hi again, guys. Melissa Booker. I'm going to be playing Batman Forever, originally for the Super NES, Sega Genesis, and a few other consoles. It was developed by Probe Entertainment. It's based off of the movie that came out in the 90s with George Clooney. I'm not exactly a fan of the movie, but I thought the game was pretty great, as a kid anyway. Let's see if I can get the stupid game to play correctly. Had a really hard time trying to figure it out. I've already restarted the game about 4 times. If you're not really familiar with these types of emulators, it really sucks. And it turned what should be an enjoyable experience into an extremely frustrating one. Fun fact, this game was actually made with the Mortal Kombat engine. So it would explain kind of why, I guess, he moves the way he does. It's pretty reminiscent of the old school Mortal Kombat games. Solve my riddles and to secrets be led if they aren't already over your head. Riddler's kind of a jerk. He hasn't really been that much of a threat to Batman since year 1. Okay, this gave me a lot of freaking trouble. I figured it out. There we go. Okay. I don't really remember what the story was for this game. It's essentially a side-scrolling beat-em-up, and those don't really have stories. But I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that Batman's in Arkham Asylum fighting off inmates. Or patients, technically, since that's what they are in Arkham. To discover the treasures revealing their jewels, open their locks with your world of tools. I much prefer Arkham Asylum to this. It'd probably be more fun if I actually had the correct controller to play. My Xbox One controller doesn't really do anything. It's just more complicated. I think playing older NES games like this, or just older games like this in general on an emulator, is not exactly for everyone. Credit is given where credit is due. Come around again and you'll get it too. Oh, I gotta backtrack. Okay, how do I get down? Oh man, jump down. Well, this seems to be as far as I can go. So, I'm just gonna leave you here with Batman punching and kicking the air. This is Melissa signing off. Bye, y'all.